Good morning, YouTube. Well, let's come back and analyze some of these stock that we talk about. It's just an update and the stock that we posted last week. So let's see what goes on with these stocks for the past week after we post them. So this right here is Lucid Motors. As we know that they had the earnings yesterday and a conference call yesterday evening after market close. Here analyzing the stock this morning. The stock is up from the close yesterday, which it closed yesterday at 44.88 to where it's at now. Well, last night it went up to about 6.52%. Go back down, went back up this morning for what's this? 4.2%. So guys, don't say I never told you that the Lucid is gonna make a move. They came out with earnings yesterday. Their earnings never came off 100%. They dropped short on earnings, but the stock is still moving due to the good news behind the stock, due to the deliveries that they was doing last month, due to they winning the best electric car or EV car of the year. I'll emphasize on that more. So Lucid Motors went up. So as I say, like, share, subscribe. Come over here for more content. I'll be putting out more stocks daily, probably every other day. Stocks to buy, stocks that I'm investing in. Always remember to do your own due diligence. Don't jump in a stock. Don't jump in a trade if you don't understand what the market or the stock is about, the company, what the company does. Do your own due diligence on stock. This is just me analyzing stocks for my portfolio, how I do what I trade, and the strategy I use for myself. So before you get into a stock, always do your own due diligence. As I told you about Lucid, Lucid is still on the move, going up. I'm invest in this stock. I'm not buying this stock, holding it, selling it. I'm investing in this stock, so I keep adding shares to the stock bi-weekly. So Lucid makes a move. From the time I talk about this stock to now, it's up 58%. How many people make 58% on their money working in 2 weeks? So think about it. The next stock we have to look on that we talked about was Palantir, PLTR. Yeah, it's a little chilly right now in the crib, so I'm in a blanket, my daughter's blanket. Um, so this is Palantir. From the time I talk about this, so you know what I said. I said we need to get Palantir. Anything under 22 in the 22s, anything under 22 would be great, but it only went to 22.40. From I talk about this stock, it went down to 22.40. It's been up 4.97, almost 5% since I talk about this stock. So think about it, guys. If you all invested in this stock when I told you about this stock, you would have been up 5% on your money today, from 22.40 to 23.36, almost a dollar. You understand what I'm saying? And the next one I posted was Snapchat. Snap. So look, from the day I posted Snap, it's been up. From I posted it, it's been up. Give me a second. From I posted Snap, start been up 5.77%, almost 6%. So those are three stocks that I posted last week. That's been going the way I expected them to. I call out these stocks at the price, what price to get them, what's the best price to get them at, what even a better price to get them at. Now they making moves. I wouldn't say they're late to getting into, but before getting into these stocks, you gotta wait on a pullback. Most likely, you gotta wait on a pullback back to the 200-day moving average, which is the 55.25, or if not, a pullback come back to this resistance that turns support at the present moment, which is 54.56. But for now, I'm watching this stock because, as you can see down here on this day chart, the stock has a lot of move back to the upside where it's falling from, and this right here could go up back to 27-28% by the end of the year. Snapchat, you know, it's a Facebook owned company, and with the metaverse and everything coming out, whatever Facebook does, this does. This could be a meta. This could be a next meta play, which I'm going to review some meta plays I'm going to get involved in moving forward for 2022. So you guys can look out for that. This is just a recap of the 3 stocks I posted last week that's doing good and still going in our favor. So as I say, get with the program. You know, when stocks pull back, we buy cheap. That's a strategy. You know, buy low, sell high. We're gonna always do it like that. That's just the concept of the market. We buy low, we sell high. We wait. The market is not a rush. Yeah, you really have to just sit down and wait in this market, and it's all about, you know, doing this for the time I've been doing it. I've learned and still learning a lot because there's so much to learn. I still make mistakes. You know, I still make mistakes doing this for so long. But as I say, the more we make mistakes, the more we learn, the more we grow, the more we understand, the better we get. So as I say, thank you for being in this journey with me. And if I gave you a news perspective on the stock market, or help you find a stock, make some money within the stock market, like, share, and subscribe. You know, come over here, tell a friend to tell a friend. Come over here, let us do this together. I'll find stocks, I'll put them out. We could sit down, or we could analyze them together, or we could buy them together, or we could, you know, make profit together. So as I say, let's get this done. Have a great day. Remember, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. This is Deshaun Campbell at Aggressive Traders. Have a nice day.